Hey guys, my name is Donovan Caldwell, the owner of Boise Landscaping and Lawn Care, where excellence is cultivated and precision is blossomed. So as you guys may know, we just launched Boise Landscaping and Lawn Care 2 weeks ago now, last week really, and the jobs are starting to file in. So I'm going to show you guys the current setup. There's definitely a lot to do. Our first job is tomorrow, so we have a lot of setting up to do. And I'm going to show you the equipment that we've purchased so far. Number one, it's a 2010, I believe, Nissan Titan XE. It's super sweet. It's a V8 5.6 liter. Got this at Dennis Dillon Nissan. Super sweet truck. Has 3 seats in the front. There's the I forget what it's called. Not the chute blocker, but you know, for the mowers. So 3 seats in the front are cup holders. 6-speed automatic. You can put the back seats up. I already have some of the tools in there. I love this so much. This is awesome. 2 squirrels fighting. I love this so much. So here's the cover for the tailgate, a few tools that we just purchased. We just also purchased this nice 6x12 landscape enclosed trailer, and I will show you guys the inside of it. So here it is. I actually made this hinge flap over here, this flap, so the mower can get in and out. And look what I just picked up today. We purchased this yesterday, picked it up today. It's a 36-inch right. It's sweet, dude. It is sweet. Also over here, this is for the backpack blower. Let me tell you something. Installation was fine. The instructions sucked. I don't even know if I like this design, but it works. I mean, I don't even know if I'm going to use these Velcro straps. I'm just going to put that down like that and keep it secure. What do you guys think? I think it's fine. That's sweet. Okay, let's play around with this mower. First mow, it's going to be at my house, though the grass is only like 3¼ inches tall, so we'll mow down to 2½. Alright guys, so I just finished a business meeting with my my business partner, and I didn't bring the camera, and I should have to introduce you guys to him, but we were just getting some pricing for a few estimates that we had to do for sprinkler irrigation installs. So now I'm going to go mow his house. So guys, as you can see, I did not record. I was trimming a hedge at that same property, my buddy's property, and I come back to the mower to see hydraulic fluid all over the ground. Keep in mind, we bought this thing this morning. So take it in, and there's a hose that's loose or something, and I'm like, are you kidding me? This morning? Picked it up, brand new, nobody's ever used it, and now there's fluid everywhere. But we got it taken care of, so I'm coming back from my distributor. It's Horizon Distributors. They do a great job. I don't blame them. I blame the factory of Right Mowers. So it's the next day, and today's the first day that we are officially in business. It's our first job, that's what I'm saying. And today is going to be a bristle removal. Just got done at the gym, the Mecca gym here in Meridian, in that plaza next to Trader Joe's, right? Like 2 minutes from the village, 2 minutes north of the village. So I'm so excited. We have the whole trailer set up. I'm gonna go make sure all the equipment's working before we get there. So let's go take a look. Look at that. We just set up all the racks. All I had was this hooked up. Sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. All I had was the blower rack hooked up, but we got these racks in place, picked up the mower yesterday, which, I don't know, I think I mentioned it, but it did break. A hydro hose blew, and I was really upset because we bought this brand new, and they fixed it. It's good now, but we all installed the racks. We installed a little, I don't know what you call it, like a wheel chock, I guess, a wheel stopper. So yeah, let's make sure everything is running correctly. First, oh, never mind. It's cold start. Burp, path. Made it to the property. The owners are not home, so I'm not getting a contract signed just yet, but first job starting right now. I will show you guys exactly what we are dealing with. Lots of weeds in the lawn. We're not taking care of this. Another great company called Habitat's going to be taking care of it. All we're doing today is removing all this. Pretty self-explanatory. I can remove that and this thistle, this sharp, big thistle. They're all over the yard. There's another one way back there. This one over here. This is going to be a massive haul off. But ready for this? Look at that. They grew way more than I thought. So I'm going to leave the camera out here. I'm going to go bring the wheelbarrow, get my PPE on, and we're going to start with that brush just to work our way from the inside to the back of the yard.